Imagine AI that doesn't just think, but does. To see Manus in its element, let's explore its home. Here, at Manus AI, you'll discover the power of Manus. First, dive into how it works. Understand the core principles behind Manus's autonomy. See how Manus breaks down tasks, learns, and executes. Next, witness Manus in action. Explore the gallery. From complex data analysis to practical task automation, see real-world applications. Observe how Manus handles resume screening or perhaps generates a dynamic website. Explore the Manus gallery. Experience AI autonomy firsthand. Visit manus.ai and discover how Manus can amplify your capabilities. Manus, the hand that brings your mind's vision to reality. Imagine handing over your travel dreams to a digital assistant that instantly understands your desires. That's the power of Manus AI, a tool designed to revolutionize trip planning. When you input your preferences, Manus doesn't just take notes, it delves deep. First, it meticulously analyzes your stated interests, discerning the core of what you seek from your journey. If you yearn for cultural immersion, culinary adventures, or modern city exploration, Manus identifies these nuances. Secondly, recognizing the importance of timing, the AI diligently checks for potential travel dates, particularly in your chosen month of October, and aligns them with local events and festivals. This ensures you don't miss out on unique experiences. Finally, Manus acts as a comprehensive researcher, gathering a wealth of information on popular attractions, highly rated restaurants, and efficient transportation options within your selected cities. Manus is a general AI agent designed to autonomously execute tasks from conception to completion. Unlike other AI systems that focus on generating ideas, Manus delivers tangible results. Examples of Manus applications are screening resumes, conducting complex property research, or performing stock correlation analysis with data visualization. Manus operates asynchronously, breaks down tasks into manageable steps, utilizes coding as a tool, and learns from user feedback. It has achieved strong benchmark results and demonstrated real-world problem-solving capabilities. Manus AI plans to open-source some of its underlying models, emphasizing its commitment to the open-source community and aiming to advance human-machine collaboration. Manus initiates with user input, encompassing tasks like resume analysis or market research. The core Manus agent then dissects these tasks into manageable steps, creating an internal to-do list. It functions as a multi-agent system, deploying specialized AI models for data retrieval, analysis, and code execution. Manus interacts with the real world via web browsers, file systems, and APIs, gathering and processing information from diverse sources. The agent generates tailored outputs, including reports, spreadsheets, or websites. User feedback fuels continuous learning, refining Manus's performance. This cycle of input, decomposition, multi-agent execution, real-world interaction, output generation, and learning defines Manus's operation. Manus uses distinct models that work together. Coding is a tool used by Manus. Manus learns from user feedback. Manus creates outputs based on user request. Manus breaks complex tasks into simpler ones. Manus interacts with the real world,